historic, nonprofit, mission-driven state theater, the oldest continuing historic theater in Modesto, built in 1934, and the only theater still to be around from the era of George Lucas and American Graffiti. The State Theater features in American Graffiti. You can see the old spire vertical in the film itself, right next to the parking lot where the perpetrators managed to disable the police car. And you will see on the marquee of the theater the showing of Dementia 13. I'm not sure that was the film that was showing at the time, but it very well could have been. One of the ironies of George Lucas is he never patronized the State Theater very much, or any of the local theaters. He was really into cars. And the State Theater had the reputation of showing all the Lawrence of Arabia's films that might not have attracted someone of his age. The State Theater continues to be involved in the American Graffiti Festival. We show every year. The State Theater is heavily involved in the annual celebration of Graffiti Month. We show the film American Graffiti several times during the month, and more frequently than that. In fact, we used to have our own copy of American Graffiti, which was donated to the theater by George Lucas until he sold off the studio products to the Disney enterprises. We also show annually Sing Along Grease, which brings 300 people into the theater who not only know the dialogue, they sing along with the songs. We also try to theme the movies that we show during Graffiti Month to the graffiti celebration and to cars generally. So yesterday we showed the film Bullet, and the day before we showed Steve McQueen in his first starring role in the film The Blob, which is a classic from that era. We also try to do themed movies like Rebel Without a Cause and others that tie into the graffiti theme. So we have, since our founding as a nonprofit in the 1990s, we've been heavily involved with graffiti and its promotion. And we welcome any visitors to come into our theater and experience what it's like in a real classic theater.